In this video, we are going to see how to fix IoStore SignatureError Pak is invalid in Fortnite. First step, verify Fortnite files. Open Epic Games Launcher, click it, click Library, click the three dot icon, click Manage, and click Verify Files. Wait for some time, it's actually verifying the game file. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after one more time, click the three dot icon, click Manage, and click the installation folder, click Fortnite Game, Binary, Win64, EC Anti-Cheat, and click the EC Anti-Cheat setup. Do it for 2 to 3 times. After completing, close it completely. Open Task Manager. Search for background process. If Epic Game Launcher is running in background means end the task completely. Open Run. Type the following text. Percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Search for Epic Games Launcher. Click it. Click Saved Folder. Delete the web cache folder. Once deleting after, close it completely. Next step, right click the application. Click Run as Administrator or else click Properties. Click Compatibility. Enable Run the program as Administrator. Click Apply and OK. Next step, search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Select Allow an app or features through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings. Scroll down. Search for Fortnite and Epic Games Launcher. It should be enabled in both private and public. If it's not having means you need to click Allow another app. Click Browse. Go to C drive. Program Files. Epic Games. Fortnite. You get the Fortnite application. Go to Launcher. You get the Launcher application. Click it. And click Add in the bottom side. Once adding after, you need to enable both private and public and click OK in the bottom side. Then move on with next step. Open this PC. Make sure you have enough memory space in C drive. Right click, click Tools and click Scan Drive. Wait for some time to entirely scanning the drive. Successfully scanned, no error were found. Close it. Next step, click Settings. Click System Settings. Click Display Settings. Click Graphics Settings. Click Epic Games Launcher. The GPU preference is depends on you. Optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Open Fortnite. The GPU preference is depends on you, but the optimization of the window game should be in turn on mode. Close it. Restart your device.